Let me ask you something. How many times have you seen an opportunity, and didn't take action, only to regret it later? I get it. You've probably tried things before, spent money, trusted the process, and still didn't see results. It's frustrating. It makes you second-guess everything. But what if this time was different? What if you could start earning simple, consistent $50 payments, without complicated tech? Without chasing people, and without needing experience? That's exactly what ProfitPalsPro is built for. A beginner-friendly system designed to help everyday people create real income, step by step, with a process that actually makes sense. The only question is, are you going to keep watching others win, or finally put yourself in position to win too? Don't let this be another missed opportunity. Take action. Click the link below.